if you're experiencing issues with voice chat in Rocket League, this guide will help you calibrate your settings for optimal performance. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix the problem. Step 1. Check voice chat settings. Navigate to the Settings menu in Rocket League. Under the Audio tab, ensure that the voice chat option is enabled. Adjust the volume levels to ensure they are set appropriately. Step 2. Adjust input device. In the same Settings menu, locate the input device option. Make sure your microphone is selected as the input device. If you have multiple devices, select the one you intend to use for voice chat. Step 3. Test your microphone. Before jumping back into the game, test your microphone outside of Rocket League. Use a voice recording app or another communication platform to ensure your microphone is functioning properly. Step 4. Check system settings. Go to your computer's sound settings. Ensure that your microphone is not muted and that the volume levels are set correctly. Also, check if Rocket League has permission to access your microphone. Step 5. Restart the game. After making the necessary adjustments, restart Rocket League. This can help apply the changes you've made and may resolve any lingering issues with voice chat. By following these steps, you should be able to calibrate your voice chat settings in Rocket League effectively. If problems persist, consider checking for updates or seeking further assistance from the game's support team.